Right, so I just want to go over the sort of perfect trade setup for me and what I look for in a trade. So we're back in 2011 in May, right on US 30. So just simply look left to find my untested levels and where price could sell from. So straight away I can just see that this high is what laddered the move down before collapsing. So we just retested the previous high and fell off. So that's left us now a hold level here. So I mark that up, and then everything else has been tested here. We're above all of this now. So if I just go back to current price, you can see you've got your daily hold right there, and price has pushed up into it. So I'd be looking for a level from here. So I'd probably use this break, because if you're attacking the hold that's untested and you push through it, the next level is the break level, which is just this bearish wick high here. So if we drop to the 8 hour, you can see you've got the perfect downtrend peak to peak right there that we're currently pushed above. So just fan that back out to there. So I've not hard closed that yet, and then just look further down for levels below. So you've got this level be number one, and so we've broke out the top side of this even though it's not being tested. So let's mark this untested level right there. So from that you've created your next valley and hold level. Price has come back in to test the support coming from this valley to create another valley. So we'll mark that, so I know that once we lose this trend we're attacking this level from here. So the idea is to catch the sell from levels above, so this daily break being my level. So let's see what happens. So if we break this, we're going higher to attack levels to the top side, so this line. So let's just see, I'm not going to mark a position, I'm just going to simply watch. So we've just fell short of that level, died, come back up for the retest, smash back through, broke low, peaked again. So you've got your next hold level, your next valley. So to go higher you want to be above that line now, so I can get rid of this line because that's not valid anymore. So simply from level to see if we can attack the untested break to the bottom side. So there you go, you've got your peak again, so you've got your peak to peak confirmation once again right there, and then come straight back up to retest the high, which is just the break level there, to then hit target finally. So what that would have been 600 pip move in 2 days nearly. So that's the perfect sell setup for me. Right, so we do the same again, looking for the buys and the sells. So we're back in September 14. So let's just restart the chart, and straight away what I can see is this valley. So you've broke out, you've laddered the move, you've got your valley there again, broke out again, laddered the move, you've got a valley just underneath the resistance. So this is the level that I'm looking for to maintain. So what can I see from this trend? I can see we're trying to maintain this level, and there's a untested level right there. So you've got your valley, you've got your trend, and you've got your next valley in price. So you've got the same again here. You had your trend, you had your next valley in price. Price has moved up from that level. So I want the retest of this. So in the moment you will have had the 8 hour downtrend, which is just peak to peak that you've never hard closed, not even this. And now you've broke above it, so you've got the break, and we want the retest. So let's get rid of, well, we'll keep that there for the visual. So can we get, right, so we've deep dove, just hit the break level. So can we get the reaction buy to attack whatever's at the top side that we can't see? So there we go, we've got the nice reaction. We never hard closed the level, just hit the break, and we're going to attack something at the top of the range in my opinion. Nope. So we did just hit the back side of this. I was looking to fill this wick here, and now we've lost trend, so we've hard closed the trend, and now what levels can we say we can attack? So straight away you can just see the backside of this is what's laddered the move. So to go lower now, we want to be hard closing this level to attack probably this break I'd go for, and this hold. So let's see. And there we go, straight to target. Just because this is the low of the range, so from this low you created the high, created this high, and you broke out momentarily and hit whatever's to the left before coming back, hard closing trend, giving you the next hold level. So let's remove all of this. So we hard close the trend, and then we got presented with this hold level again. Just fell short, could even mark the break that we've laddered, but it's closer to testing this, which is probably something on the lower time frame, which is the 4 top side of the bullish wick, and then we fell straight off into the targets that we marked. Just that we're just working with the 8 hour, no other time frame, but it works the same on every time frame. So that's, you just had two perfect explanations of a buy and a sell in the same video right there. So go back, practice finding the true trend, finding the untested levels, finding the resistance highs, finding the support lows. You want to buy from the lows, sell from the highs. Mark out the range. So from the low to the high, price will play in that range before breaking out, just like it did here. From this low to that high, price accumulated, popped out, hit whatever it hit, come back down, gave you the peak to the peak, momentarily hard close, so you'd fan that back out, and then you've got hold level on a peak to peak trend. You hit trend, fell off, straight to target. So let's see if the hard close of this break level should send price further down into this level right here, is what I'd go for, just because it's what laddered the move before breaking out. So really just inside a range inside a range. So if we hard this, we go lower, but if we start to show support, I'm on the 8 hour, so you might not even see the holds get formed. So there we go, straight through, straight back down, through target, even lower. So then you just say, right, we're already here. So this is the next trend in price that could keep. So you've got your valley that's untested to there. You could even probably go, this is the trend keeping price up and away from this level. So let's just mark that if it's not already hit. It's already hit. So that was the trend keeping price back up and away from that level. So we have now just laddered this level and start to pull back up, not hard close trend. So that hard closer trend, this could just be the retest, but I think we could go higher from the untested level at the low of the range to attack, maybe trend again, but hard close this low. Let me just get rid of this. So hard close this low right here, what we've just laddered price from, to go lower. The valley, hard close the valley down to go lower. Maintain to attack, trend above, hold levels above, so on. And there we go, just attack trend, broke trend to the hold level originally. Can we break that? Yes, we can. That'll just be 4 hour valleys on the lower time frame, but you can see what I mean now. The untested levels to the lows that we're targeting, you form support on. You don't hard close, you go higher. You attack trend, somewhat a pullback from the trend to then form your break level that you've just laddered top side of. Now you've got all of this support, local support right here, and it's what, 2 o'clock, so I'll be very surprised if this doesn't just fly again. There we are, it just crawled up from there to there, so that was a perfect example, and now you've got your hold level again right there. So it's just from the previous video, a bullish engulfing candle that swallows the top side of a bearish wick on a valley, and you've now got another trend. So this level to be respected, to go higher, to attack, whatever's to the left even further back. And there we go. We broke out. Do we get the retest? We're just maintaining trend. There's a retest, and we've come back through it. So we did break up and away, but then we hard closed the trend, come back, retested it, sold back off into levels below this break, probably coming back down to here. And there we go, straight back down to there. So you can see how it works on every time frame. So please do practice that over and over again, just on back testing and even live accounts with small positions, just to get the feel for the markets and to see physically a live market what's going on. These are 8-hour candles, so back testing, it's like seconds to play days worth of charts. So the best way to do it is find your live levels, mark them up, and then just practice from there with a amount of money that you're comfortable to just risk, really. So even if it's like £100 account, £50 account to get started with, just do that over and over again. Nothing big, 0.01s, 0.2s, and yeah, really get a feel for it. And you'll be surprised at what you actually see live compared to backtesting. So I hope that video was quite useful for everyone, and I hope that you can make something from it and use this sort of strategy as you would to become successful in the markets.